This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
CoastLife, have you ever wondered what love tastes like? Well, you can find out because I am here at Benvenuto in Milford for our dish of the week, and of course here with the one and only Chef Stu. Chef, how you doing today?
I'm good. That would be me. I like how you said that. You know, what love would taste like. Look, who doesn't love a good meatball, right?
Oh, we're making Mom's Meatball, though. I have to ask, who's Mom's Meatballs?
Well, you know,
are these?
at any of my recipes that say Mom's, it's my mom.
Yes?
My mom, Nora. So what we're doing right now is we're making some of the meatballs. Now, we don't just go out and buy ground beef because that wouldn't really be cost effective for a restaurant like ours.
Today we're using fresh beef and pork cup prepared right here at Benvenuto. Nothing prepackaged, just quality meats and making sure every meatball is perfect. This is our meat grinder, and it's surprisingly simple, but so effective. You have a hopper at the top where the meat goes in, a plate that controls the grind size, and a blade inside that cuts it down. And don't worry, it's safe, easy to start and stop, and it makes the whole process fun to watch.
All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting our meat into our hopper.
Okay. And it
All
comes
right.
out down
and
here?
you'll see that it's gonna come down out here. So there's a hole in there. All right, that you don't want to get
really short.
you don't want to get your finger, because if you put your finger to I'm kidding. All right, so that was funny, right?
Grinding your meat fresh like this ensures a perfect balance of flavor and texture for every meatball. It's all about that fine, tender consistency that makes each bite melt in your mouth.
And this is how we get that beautiful blend of pork and beef. See that?
To make them tender, we add panko breadcrumbs, milk, Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh basil, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, fresh parsley, and eggs. Everything you need for a flavorful, perfectly bound meatball.
Right. So what we're doing now is we have this bread mixture, okay, that we have going here, and this is going to not just flavor our meatballs, but bind them and keep them nice and tender and moist. So now we're going to bring this over here, and real simple,
Put it
all
on
of
top.
this, yep, everybody in the pool.
Nice.
All right.
Once they're mixed, it's time to form them into round meatballs, making sure they're evenly portioned at 5 ounces each.
What we're going to then do is we're going to start bringing these over here, and you're going to hear that sizzle there. You see that, Big? You want to get in close on that? All right, and you're going to see these start to sizzle. All right, and this is how we first pan fry the meatballs to get all that flavor seared in there. All right, and you can see what we're doing already.
Nice.
All right, so what I think we're going to do is we're going to keep rolling here.
Yes.
All right, and get all our meatballs nice and browned off. We're going to finish them in the oven, and I think we'll take a break. When we come back, we're going to show you how we put the whole dish together.
Perfect.
After browning, the meatballs go into a bed of rich San Marzano tomato sauce.
All right, and then we just enrobe. That's the word of the day, enrobe. We're going to enrobe.
I love it.
Yes, these meatballs with that wonderful San Marzano tomato sauce.
Delicious.
Already, right? Look
Yeah,
at
it
this.
does.
Oh my goodness.
A touch of mozzarella and ricotta goes on top to create that creamy, melted finish before they hit the oven.
CoastLife, these meatballs are looking and smelling delicious.
Look at that. Oh my
Gosh,
goodness.
I know. This
All
is
right.
beautiful.
And look, it's not finished yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit more of this Parmigiano Reggiano.
Love it. Top it off.
We're going to top it off, give it a little bite, and then we're just going to take a little bit more of this fresh chiffonade of basil.
Ooh, I love that pop of cream.
All right, yes, all right. And there you have Mom's baked meatballs.
It's our Mom's Meatballs, and it's also the CoastLife dish of the week. If you mention that you saw this on CoastLife, you get 10% off of this dish. So CoastLife, stop by Benvenuto in Milford and try Mom's Meatballs. But seriously, I gotta try Mom's Meatballs
You have to.
Yeah, let's dig right in. This looks amazing. I'm ready to dive into this.
Me too.
I'm so excited.
Yes, we give you the honors.
Oh, thank you.
All right. And look, I go right on the end here.
Yeah.
And get some of that ricotta cheese.
Yes, I'm doing the same.
Some of that mozzarella. Oh, look at that.
This is a pretty meatball, Zeus.
It really is. It really is.
Dip it in the sauce too. Oh my God, CoastLife. It smells amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Ciao.
Oh my God. That is such a fresh meatball. Huge burst of flavor. This
Right?
is amazing, Zeus.
It really is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
You've outdone yourself.
This is a bang of meatball. I think we're going to have to change the name to Mom's Bangin' Meatballs.
Oh yeah. All right, CoastLife, try Mom's Bangin' Meatballs. Zeus, thank you so much for
thank
coming
you.
on. Of
Thank
course.
you. Don't mind me over here.
Straight from a family recipe, straight from Zeus's heart to your plate. Also coming straight at you is more CoastLife, so stick around. I need more of this.